What it's doing?
Oh, GoPro's fucked, KTM's are fucked.
Well, mine's not. Alright, so if we did a bit of a rundown of what's gone wrong with our recording and everything, we've had the GoPro overheating. I could have a fucked battery. So on the riding, it was very hard to get footage because it kept turning itself off.
Not going to be so many episodes this trip, that's for sure.
Definitely not. Anyway, we got there, and then we've had all your...
Electrics fucked up on my bike, then we've had...
And then he had them cleared.
Then we had them cleared, then we had more GoPro problems, then we had...
You can do it here. We're not in Adelaide at the moment.
Then we had crashed our bikes into the billy, into random things.
As you'll see, Jake's.
Yeah. Rode into... Forgot the panniers were so wide and rode into the bloody... Then we thought I would drown our sorrows and went for a swim.
And brought budgies.
Nice. Went and bought some budgies and went for a swim. That was good. Everything was all okay again. And then my bike fucked up again.
More engine lights.
More engine lights.
No modes.
And then now our hotel room's not ready. But that's not so bad. We got 3 martinis out of it.
Yeah. So bring on the ride tomorrow. It could be a thunderstorm.
Yeah, and I'll have no traction control in the rain, so that's good.
Yeah. And cut. We've arrived, and we were just having a look at the room. Everything looks the same, and we're in the same location because last vlog, you open this thing, we parked our bikes right here with that sculpture in it. So, anything you'd like to add?
What bet do you want?
I'll take it against the wall if you want.
Okay.
Same as last time, you know?
It is. This is exactly where I slept 1 year ago today.
And we had bike night last year, so we were poking our heads through
Waiting for all
here, watching all the bikes come through.
Well, we called it an S&J Rome's meet and greet, but
Yeah, but then we realised afterwards.
Geelong called it bike night. I don't know what that is, but
It's nice to see you put your dirty shoes on the nice white.
well, they're not my sheets.
Do you want to check the bikes out? I mean, it's your holiday too. Isn't it surprising that just by us parking our 2 KTMs here, we can attract such a crowd?
Well, we did the same thing last year.
We did, didn't we?
That thing is the sickest bike.
But this is completely illegal now. Like all the mirrors, everything.
Oh yeah.
Been coming in for a while.
Dinner date with the boys?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, but oh, not much going on over here. We got ours though.
Where's yours, mate? We're just sharing a rice. Yeah.
They're learning patience. We'll see you guys later, yeah? Time to go. You guys get showered and stuff. See you in the morning. Showered for what? Just relaxing there.
Shower and stuff.
Yeah, going home to relax. We'll probably jump in the pool because we don't stop. We don't quit. The show goes on. The show goes on.
Battery's going flat.
Oh, it is too.
More GoPro problems.
I've got one other good battery.
Oh.
Is that aircon being turned up? Dude, that's not cold. Dude, it's off.
Is it really?
You gotta leave a card on there. Might have to leave 26.
No, it's set. It's just not doing much.
Once we've had a swim, it'll probably be better.
Yeah. Just got to do PP.
Alright, so we've just finished bike night. We've just watched a whole heap of Harleys hooning around. I'm sunburnt, big time, from riding around in the budgies. Yeah, so we're going to go for a pool and then a steam room. Very nice. Oh, now, this hotel room, you know, shirts down to the ball or not?
Maybe we should. Yeah, we should actually. Yeah, we should.
Yeah. Checking in. Tomorrow will be the ride. No more footage. Ta-ta. See you later. Bye. Gone. Wiggle your bum. Just give it a little booty shake. Morning of the Lifeline ride. Oh, shit.
Walk into the...
That bloody step, it's got me a few times now. Just packing.
Oh, they're quite loud, aren't they?
All packed, ready to go. We just need to put a battery on a KTM. Hope there's no engine lights.
Yeah, we should get down there and do that. Yeah.
Check out. And leave, and we're way too early. It's 6:30 now.
Yeah, I've got some mechanical work to do.
Bing, 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 bing. Like normal, we woke up before our alarm. Haven't needed it this whole trip because we go on these trips for action. Like, just imagine 1,000 bikes everywhere, and then we whip out the budgie smugglers.
It's gonna be funny. You were just recording your shoulder there.
I was recording. Oh shit, I was too. So Jake's just connected the battery again. He's now, modes have come back on, so everything's working just before this trip.
Engine light disappeared, so...
Engine lights disappeared. So far now we're looking alright. If it can hold up.
Hopefully.
But very annoying.
Very annoying.
Very, very, very annoying. It's 8:45 now, so the ride things should start moving soon, and starting to pick up, get a little bit busier here. Looks like Danny's there trying to get his drone happening. See how this goes. So where we got our bikes parked here is right at the start of the ride. Nice and close. Didn't want to get stuck behind all the congestion. How's there's a medic here? Hello, mate.
Doing what you're doing.
Are you?
Down,
Yeah.
film all the bikes.
It's not just Jake's bike that's shit.
$20.
Yeah, all good, mate.
Yeah, I
Hey, Justin, next door to you.
Hey, how are ya?
Come a little bit closer.
That's it.
And you will see.
Smile there. It's not that bad.
I've just used my platform, my followers, to raise some money to help maybe some people that need help. That's all I've done. I've not done anything extra special. There's no kickback for me. I don't make any money. I refuse to let anybody profit off this ride. I refuse to let anybody sell any hats or any merch or any YouTuber. You know, I had someone yesterday say, can I just set up a table? And I said no. And people don't like it when you say no to them. But I just wanted this ride always to be raw and organic and unorganised. Because as soon as you start to organise something, politics gets involved. And when politics gets involved, people's feelings get hurt and they get pissed off. So that's my rant about that. The reason that we've chosen Lifeline was because it's basically almost 100% volunteer. They deal with over 1 million phone calls, and it's sad that there's not a representative here, and that says something. And I think so far on the GoFundMe page we've raised about $20,000. The target was $50,000, and I don't care about the target. And believe it or not, I don't care if there's 100 people here today or 1,000. It's just the fact that people are here is really all that counts. And also, some of the riders here that would have come today would have come alone, and that's okay. It's okay not to be cool hanging out with your mates. It's okay to ride alone. Guys, we're going to auction off 2 items. I'm going to auction off my gloves. No, you can make a donation on GoFundMe through your card. Yes. Yep. You want to go to 900? Yeah. Do you know what? Hang on. Round us off to $1,000. One second. Harry, this is how you auction here, mate. Watch. Round us off to $1,000. $1,000. Yeah. Thank you. $1,000.
Second call, definitely done, definitely out. Third and final call, selling, sold.
6.5. Yep, 6.5. What about $7,000? $7,000.
Definitely out.
Yep.
Second call, third and final call, going on to sell, selling, definitely out, selling, sold. Congratulations.
Sorry, I forgot.
Step back.
Yes, what? Okay. So guys, a lady from Grace Jane Tattoos donated $1,000. It's a day's work of tattooing on your body, and which is very kind of her. I've never met her. Can they reveal themselves? Who won? Oh, she's right here. Okay, you come up here. Give this lady a clap. She's got the tattoo.
Our friends have just arrived. So we've just arrived at Lorne now. We're at the front, so all the bikes are just rolling in now. I've just gone to the toilet. But as you can see, they're starting to fill this spot up. Do you want half a Coke? Because I probably won't drink it all.
Yeah, right.
This is the quality of Coca-Cola. I don't know why they gave me the can like this. For some reason this tastes flat.
Is it pretty bad?
No. Oh, I don't care for fizzy Coke or not. I just wanted a bit of the sugar hit. It does taste flat though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not completely flat, but
This can's rolled around in the bag for about 1,200 Ks. Yeah. Sick. I'll be able to put Harlow on the back there.
Who, mate?
Be able to put my dog on it.
Why is it counting down?
I got no idea.
Are you in some weird mode? No, it's still in standard mode.
Oh, we got, now it's counting. I don't think this thing knows what it's doing.
Oh, GoPro's fucked, KTM's are fucked.
Well, mine's not.
It's fucking raining, hell yeah!
Yeah, I think we're off. We're getting back on the bikes.
It's nice to see your park uniform, that's good.
I'm glad I didn't just get the sausage roll.
What did you get, sweet?
Beef, cheese and bacon. Steak, cheese and bacon, hopefully.
This is a good bakery, I remember that from last time.
Bit off. No steak. It's mince, but oh well.
Alright, so we've had quick lunch. We're just going to find a toilet and then head off and start heading towards Mount Gambier. We've got 4.5 hours, so we reckon we should be getting in about 7. Bogan ride completed.
Done and dusted.
2025.